something. So let's see how does a goto function looks like. So let's say we have a very simple program which requires us to enter our, let's say, enter password. So we're gonna enter our password, and this program is gonna check if the password is equal to ABC. If it's ABC, then we're gonna output login success, let's say, and else std failed, login failed. Yeah, pretty stupid function, but let's try to run and see. Okay, it doesn't know what the string is, and we should also, I think, type std. Yeah. Yeah, so as you can see, it's working pretty fine. We can run one more example by giving a real password, and it says login is success. Yeah, so it's very stupid example, and why I'm showing this is we might actually want more. So by that I mean that after, for example, let's say login failed, we want to show the enter password again. So what command lines usually do is that if you typed wrong password, it shows the enter password again, like 3 or 4 times until you reach the limit, like try limitation, and it just says, it just exits program. So we want to give a try for a user. So how do we do that? We can use a goto function here. So let's say, well, but to use the goto function, we need to identify the line where we want to go. So password, let's say password retry, and here it is pretty simple logic. As you can see from the syntax, we just typed a password retry here and identified this line as a beginning of password retry. And in some cases, if we want to go back to the password retry, we can just use a goto keyword and the name of that line that we identified before. And let's try to run now, and let's give 1 2 3. So as you can see, it says login failed, and it's showing the enter password string again. Let's do some other wrong password and the same. But if you do ABC, it shows login success and it exits. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you understand everything, and see you next time.